The clock is ticking and the last date to file your income tax returns is approaching fast. Every year July 31 is the last date unless it is extended. The filing ITR for a salaried class is a cakewalk if you have Form 16. Form 16 is issued by an employer to its employees giving all details of tax deducted at source, right? And if the company has deducted TDS, it has to share the Form 16 by June 15 of every year. But if you haven't received your Form 16, maybe because the company has shut down or because your employer did not file the TDS report with the tax department, or it could be a general delay as you have moved out of the organization or any other reason, you need not worry, we have got you covered. In this video, we'll guide you through a step-by-step process of filing your ITR without relying on Form 16. In fact, I highly recommend you to play this video while you file your tax returns to minimize the risk of making any errors. So let's begin. Before we jump to the process, you need to be prepared with certain documents and some calculations. So there are two parts in Form 16, Part A and Part B. Part A shows month-on-month tax deducted that we call TDS by the employer and deposited with the tax department. Now this figure will be needed while filing ITR. Next is Part B, which shows the salary paid by your employer and the exemption and deductions claimed by you under various sections of the Income Tax Act during the year. So in absence of Form 16, you need to keep certain documents handy like bank statements, salary slips, proof of investments, Aadhar card, PAN card, interest statement from bank accounts and Form 26AS. Now, Form 26AS, also known as Tax Credit Statement, is a really important document which gives a consolidated statement of all tax-related information associated with a PAN. Apart from TDS and TCS information, Form 26AS shows high-value transactions. It also gives out details of foreign remittances, dividends, refund details, and much more. Now, how do you get it? Well, you can get it from the Income Tax e-filing portal. So log into the portal, go to e-file, income tax returns and view Form 26AS. Then you click on view tax credit. Now select the relevant assessment year. So here we select 2023-24, view as HTML and then press view, download and export your Form 26AS as PDF. And once you have all documents ready, you can start with the tax filing process. So the first step is you log into the tax department's e-filing portal. Now for complete steps to file ITR, we have made another video, you may refer that. So once you reach this page, you can start with verifying your personal details. After that, next is gross total income. So here you can click on edit and start writing your salary details. Salary as per section 17(1). You can get this from your bank statements or salary slip. You have to mention the amount you have received during the year from your employer. So I have put a random amount, say 5 lakh rupees. Then you scroll down and go to exempt allowances. So if you have claimed exemptions like leave travel allowance, house rent allowance, you can get the value from your salary slips or investment proofs and mention it here. Now if you have income from house property or income from any other sources like interest from savings bank account, you can put it here. Then click on continue. Next you can go to deductions, click on edit and give details of any deductions that you want to claim under section ATC, ATD or any other section. You can get this information in your investment proofs, bank statements and salary slips. Then click on continue and confirm. Next is taxes paid. Now, generally employers deduct a monthly tax from your salary. So you will get the TDS details in your Form 26AS. So you can take that sum and mention it in here in the ITR form. Once you have added all details manually, you can continue to file your return and e-verify it. Once again, you can refer to our other video for the process from here on. Now for an even more detailed information, you may check another form known as Form AIS or the Annual Information Statement. It is an extension to Form 26AS. So apart from all the information in Form 26AS, Form AIS shows your investment details like purchase of mutual funds, stocks, investment in bank FDs, dividend received, interest income as well. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Hope it helps you smoothen your ITR filing journey. Comment below for any queries. If you found this useful, do share it with your friends and colleagues as well. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel 5-Minute Finance.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.